Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm excited to present our research in Borobudur International Symposium 2024. And for our research, title is Integration of AHP and Certainty Factor for Optimizing Chicken Disease Diagnosis. This study aims to explore innovative methods to improve the accuracy and efficiency of diagnosing disease in chickens, which is a critical issue for poultry farming and animal health. First, let me introduce this research team. First author, Mr. Hari Gunawan. Second, Budi Susanto. Third, Bayu Arisandi. And fourth, Ila Shahila Bunga Fajar, our student in informatic engineering. We from University Muhammadiyah Cirebon. Background, our research, chicken farming is a critical component of the agriculture sector, contributing significantly to food security. However, diagnosing disease in chickens can be challenging due to the complexity of symptoms and the reliance on expert knowledge. This challenge highlights the need for an efficient and accurate system to support decision making for veterinarians and farmers. Objectives of our study are: first, to develop a decision support system (DSS) for chicken disease diagnosis. Two, to integrate the analytical hierarchy process (AHP) and certainty factors (CF) methods for effective decision making. Three, to gather and utilize expert knowledge to enhance the system's reliability. Uh, our methodology consists the following steps. First, frameworks. We utilize the Design Support System (DSS) to structure the research and build the diagnostics tools. Methods. AHP is used to prioritize and weight disease factor based on expert input. Two, certainty factors quantifies the likelihood of disease based on observed symptoms. And data collection, we conducted interviews the experts, including officials from the Department of Agriculture in Cirebon City and Regency, as well as local chicken farmers. The okay, the ensure accurate the comprehensive input, we interview agriculture experts from both the city Regency levels in Cirebon, experienced chicken farmer who provided a practical insight into disease symptoms and patterns. We collaborating allowed use a blend theoretical expertise with real world knowledge. Okay, here are the disease in chicken in our study. In this study, we gave the code of a disease P1 for 2P6 for disease in chickens. And the data symptoms caused by disease in our chicken are given code G. Of the 6 common disease to attack chicken, there are 23 common symptoms that we classified. And here the result of our research. The integration of AHP and certainty factor in the DSS framework resulted in a system capable and diagnosing common chicken disease with high reliability. Enhance decision-making by providing disease probability scores, allowing users the priority treatment effectively. Positive feedback from experts who found the system intuitive and beneficial for field application. And here the result of the research. It can be seen the person confidence of the 6 chicken disease study. 1. Snot of coryza 2.9%, 2. Pullorum 12.2%, 3. Cholera 37.2%, 4. Salmonellosis 0%, 6. Chronic respiratory disease 1.3%, 6. Avian influenza, sorry, 6. Avian influenza 0%. Then this is a view of the AHP and CV integration system result. In conclusion, our research demonstrated that combining AHP and certainty factor within a DSS framework is an effective approach to optimize chicken disease diagnosis. Moving forward, we plan to expand to the system to include more disease, automate data input using IoT technology, conduct field tests in additional regions for broader validation. And finally, thank you for your attention and see you next time.